in case I'm dead. My kids can actually, they can sell my lingerie, they can disinfection and everything, and they can sell my lingerie. This is expensive. This is kind of like investing in something. We know you have to invest in this and that and that, and again you invest in something.
Hello friends, welcome to our channel where we will enjoy to interact and learn from each other. Our channel is all about lifestyle, traveling, cooking, shopping and many other things that involve our daily life. Let's rock this together by subscribing, commenting so that I can learn from you guys. Cheers!
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing great. I know guys, I have been really quiet. I thought I'm going to make it and like this, but there was something that made me to be a little bit quiet. Guys, cheers. So I'm going to explain why I have been quiet to show you what I bought in January. I wanted to change something, and yeah, I couldn't actually post, so I was waiting for something and like this. So I need to explain to you guys actually. So I bought something in January, and I did some kind of like tax refund. So if you need tax refund, they need to have a stamp and like this, and then you can have certain percentage from what you bought. So I bought something from Louis Vuitton, and yes, then I claimed to have the tax refund. And so what happened was, in January my partner went back to Switzerland, but he didn't actually stop border between Italy and Switzerland to do that. So he went back with it, and he came back with it. Then the second time he went, actually that's when he managed, and he went just last week to Switzerland, and then he managed to do that. So, and then he kind of like just brought what I bought, and you forgot the boxes and everything. So we are not going to open the boxes, just the other box. That's the one we are going to open. But the main item, it's here, and I'll start using. So I've not been using this since I bought in January. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you. So I bought agenda cover. The reason why I bought this agenda cover was my last agenda cover I'm going to show you. It's kind of like there was something. So I went in January to Louis Vuitton here in Rome, and then I showed them if they can do something, and they said it's kind of like it can cost 160 euros, and I was like, okay, I'm going to buy a new one, and then this one I'll repair it later. So guys, now let me show you what I bought, and I'm going to show you my new collection, Agent Provocateur, my new lingerie collection, guys. So let me drink, then I'll show you. Oh, great. So there's this. So this was the package from my agenda. This is from agenda actually. So yes, my agenda was actually outside, so yes, you can. Okay, so I bought this, this year because I wanted to change the agenda cover. So I bought this is my new agenda for this year. Oh, too many things coming here. So this is my new agenda for this year, because I changed from this my old agenda cover. So this is my old agenda cover, and then I've changed to, because here, yes, now this is where the problem is, too many things, and then it was coming out and everything. So I will do some repair here. I'll pay that. I'm not going to throw away these. So this is the problem here, and then I'll do that. So I didn't buy the agenda for this one, so I changed to the agenda, this one, you know, because I changed the agenda cover. Okay, so we are going to, so I will start now using, because I'm going to put this together. You know, I have not been using this, yes, but I've not been using my agenda cover. So many papers here. Okay, so this is my new agenda here. Okay, so let me I'll put the inside. So this was here, and this was for now. I'm going to show you the main things. So this is for the agenda cover. So this is not for the agenda cover. This is for the agenda, and for the agenda cover now, it's something I'm going to show you now. So because I don't have the box and I don't have this, they are all in Switzerland, so this is what I have. Okay, so let me try to hold this. So this is what I have now, and this is my agenda. Okay, so this is my agenda cover, not agenda. So this is my agenda cover, so you can see now. I will put, you can have a look. So also the problem is here I don't have enough card space, so which means I'm going to buy another card holder, you know, so that, you know, I have a lot of cards, you know, cards for health insurance, cards for ID, cards from the banks, you know, a lot of cards. We have like I have cards for my kids and everything, and then we have cards for metro, we have cards for, you know, kind of like we have certain type of genetic, and then we have those type of cards, so in case there's something wrong and like this, they can check in my page and then they'll find something, you know, so they know that. Yeah, so guys, so this is my agenda. We are not doing the opening, so I'm just showing you that this is something I bought in January, but I will start using them. Today is what? So today is the 31st March, and I'll start using them from today, because I'm going to put now everything here. And yes, just imagine, bought in January. So this is, now I'm going to show you the next, guys. So yeah, this is what was, and I bought something in last week actually. So this is the thing, this is for here. I bought something last week, and it's already in Switzerland, because my partner went to Switzerland, so he took what I bought, and then I would do the opening in Switzerland, you know, because not here. Yeah, I told him, can you just leave it? Yeah, it's also from Louis Vuitton. Okay guys, so let me drink. Okay, then I bought, guys, a new Agent Provocateur collection, my lingerie, you know. So guys, you can check. So in case you're doubting, it's always Agent Provocateur. So my new collection, guys, you know, yeah, you know, it's it's just like that. And this one, guys, Agent Provocateur, my new collection, lingerie. You know, I love luxury, and Agent Provocateur is one of my favorite, and then La Perla, which is Italian, and my third is Simone Pereira, you know, but mostly I have like Agent Provocateur. So guys, you can see. So this one, hope you can see clearly, and then this one, because these are kind of like together. So here, here, guys. Hope you can see. Yeah, I love lingerie. You know, I love lingerie. There's so much luxury and you feel good. And I think, yes, I'll stop buying one day. I think when I'm kind of like menopause time, when that menopause time comes, I think I'm going to reduce the lingerie things. So, guys, I just wanted to show you something that I've bought so far. Something that I bought also some new clothes collection, and I'm going to make a video actually when we are back home in Switzerland, because some of them my husband took to Switzerland, and so some of them I've worn them before and so cute, and I'm telling you that I'll show you some of the pieces and some of the brands actually. Yes, Sandro Paris, yeah, all these brands, Chloe, you know them, you know. So yeah, so guys, this is something I bought for my agenda, my, you know, and so let me show you, because I'm going to put my agenda now here. So let me try to, okay, so we have, you know, I was talking to the lady, I was like, oh, do you have some stickers from this agenda? And then she was laughing at me. And she was like, oh my goodness, you're behaving like a baby. I was like, yeah, I need some stickers, you know. I'm still young. We don't get old, actually, you know. Why should you say like, oh, because you are 40, 50, 60, then you start behaving like an whatever, you know. We don't get old. You have to enjoy every moment when you're here on earth. So these are some stickers. Yes, these are some stickers, and so this is here, you know, the stickers. I do collect the stickers and I do give my kids, so I'm going to give them these stickers. So guys, one thing I want to say, guys, I know some people, they'll be like, oh, why do you love to buy all these expensive things and like this? You know, this is kind of like investing. You know, in case I'm dead, my kids can actually, you know, they can sell my lingerie, they can disinfection and everything, and they can sell my lingerie. You know, this is expensive. This is kind of like investing in something. You know, we know you have to invest in this and that and that, and again you invest in something. And also this is investing, you know, this is investing. In case you don't know, this is investing actually. So guys, let me drink. Then I'm going to put so guys, please don't fall for cheap things, trend things. Make sure you go for quality. Quality is really important. Okay guys, so thank you for watching, and bye bye.